Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hampton Inn Ellensburg. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free parking and a tea-coffee maker in all rooms. Situated near the scenic rolling hills and apple orchards of Ellensburg, this hotel offers an indoor swimming pool and fitness center. Guests can enjoy fishing, horseback riding and bowling. Hampton Inn Ellensburg provides air-conditioned rooms with LCD TVs and free Wi-Fi. Each room is equipped with a work desk and private hot drink facilities. Enjoy a daily breakfast with a variety of hot options, juice and coffee. Choose from an array of dining options available just moments from the hotel. The Hampton Inn attentive staff will be happy to help with their recommendations. Hampton Inn Ellensburg is located only 2 miles from the center of Ellensburg and less than a 10-minute drive from the Washington University. The Yakima Air Terminal is 35 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.